Using ESPN Plus gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to access a variety of sports content. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy your subscription. Step 1. Visit the ESPN Plus website. Go to the official ESPN Plus website using your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure a secure transaction. Step 2. Create or log into your account. If you already have an ESPN Plus account, log in with your credentials. If you are new to ESPN Plus, you will need to create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card redemption section. Once logged in, look for the option to redeem a gift card. This is usually found in the account settings or billing section. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. Carefully enter the code found on your gift card. Make sure to input it exactly as it appears, including any letters and numbers to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and activate your subscription. After entering the code, follow the prompts to confirm the redemption. Once completed, your ESPN Plus subscription will be activated, and you can start enjoying the content available. Now you're ready to enjoy all the sports programming that ESPN Plus has to offer.